Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb up here on a Singer Stylist 416 sewing machine. We're going to just be putting the same old bulb back in because ours isn't actually burnt out, but we wanted to show you anyways. So I'm just going to tip it so you can see the light bulb is just in this cage right here. It's fairly simple. As you saw, it's just a pull down. You just pull down your cage, that'll give you access. Then you just give it the bulb a slight push in and a twist, and it comes out just like that. When you have your new one, put it back in, give it a push and a twist just like that, and push your cage back up in, give your power switch a flick, make sure it's working. If it is, you're all good to go. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always everyone, please like and subscribe.